Hi, everybody. My name is Judith Naodi, a CRM and workflow automation specialist. And today I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of how I automated the entire loan application process for Brickwood Company, from receiving the form to creating tax and notifying the applicant, all without manual data entry. So the first step was the loan application form. I'm going to be showing you that I actually built that making use of Typeform. Making use of Typeform. All right, so the first step is the loan application form. When the applicant fills out this Typeform loan application, this will actually capture all the details of the applicant, from their personal information to loan amounts. Let me actually show you a sample. Okay, so I'm going to be filling this out so we can test run it. So I'm just going to be using a dummy detail. So please note this is a dummy information. So let's say I'm requesting for $6,500. It's an auto loan. Okay. No, self-employed. Okay. Until annual income. 4,600. Yes, please. I really look forward to getting this loan. And I submit. Right. So all right, so the next step, I actually built a Zapier trigger where the Typeform was actually my trigger. When a new form is filled, just like the one we filled earlier, okay, so the details are actually got in here. So once the submit, Zapier instantly triggers a workflow. The Typeform is our starting point. So every submission fires up the automation in seconds. So the next step is to create an item as a loan record in the monday.com board, the applicant board. So each applicant becomes a new item, okay, with their columns for their names, contact info, loan type, and others. Then the next step is to actually schedule processing tasks, which I will be showing you on the Monday account, and then an automated applicant email will be sent. So right now, that has actually been done. So we should actually get a trigger by now. So let's go back to the Monday board. So this is our monday.com board. Okay, here we can see the new form. Okay, but some automations has actually been working underground. Here I'm going to be showing some of the automations. So I built some automations where when a new item is created, okay, so here is the first automation. You set the stage to new, and once the new item is created, we set the stage to new. So once then there is actually a sub item that when an item is created, we should also create a sub item that is making it the second one. So when the sub item is created, we should set the stages to under review. So once sub item changes, the stages change to under review, we move the item to under review and then notify the assigned to. So all this is actually taking place underground. So I'm going to be showing us that. Okay. So here we have the loan processing tax. Okay. So here we're going to be assigning the loan officers, the people in charge for the initial application review. You see, for any new applicant, an automation will run from the loan application tracker to the loan processing tax board. Okay, so since once the form is reviewed, once the form is filled, the initial stage is the initial application review, which you can see here. Then the next step is to check if there's any missing documents. So once there's any missing documents, that will also be assigned to another loan officer, or the person assigned to, or the person in charge. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the email. You should actually have gotten the email by now. Okay, so let me hover to that. Oh, so there we have it. You can see that this is Brickwood Loan LCC. So it has been received. It says, "Hello, Davidson. Thank you for applying for the loan with Brickwood Loan LCC. So we've successfully received your application, and our loan processing team will begin reviewing. So all the details, other details were given here, how you could contact us and others." So back to the Monday account. So some automations will actually be run. So the first step now, once it is filled, it actually changes to new, and then once it is once that is filled, it changes, the stage is set at new. Then a sub item is created. Here we have it. So it is actually a work in progress. So the application is being reviewed. That is the next stage. So once that is set, the stage will actually change to under review, and then it will actually move to the group under review, where our loan officers picks it up from there, moves, and that's how it moves to get to other stages. We also set information. So let's say this has actually been concluded. So once it is funded and closed, let's say a document is needed. Once a document is needed, you see an automation is actually running. That is, a mail has been sent to the officer in charge, and also a mail has been sent to the client. Let's go back and actually look at that. So here we have it. The mail has been sent to the client. Here we have it. "Hi, Davidson. Please upload your documents in KYC verifications via this same mail." So that means Davidson did not attach a document. So the needed documents has actually been he has been informed to upload the KYC verification document to aid further assistance. So that automation ran successfully. Okay. So we also have a different automations for when the stage is set as funded and closed. That should actually move. Automation is running. That will move to completed. That means that loan has been given to the applicant. It has been completed. Okay, that has been completed. It is actually, so we have another one here. Let's try this. When a loan has been approved, let's say when a loan is rejected, automation is running to move to the rejected group, and also this client would actually receive a message stating the reason why it was rejected. So why does this matter? This setup actually remove repetitive admin work. It actually keeps our pipeline organized and ensures that no application slips through the cracks. All while, a moment please. Right. So all while giving applicants a professional, fast, and consistent experience. So this is how that is how we've turned a manual, error-prone process into a smooth, automated workflow from the form submission to task scheduling and also client communication in just a few clicks. If you want, I can actually prepare this for you. You can actually slide to my DM or send me an email. I'm actually open to support you for in running this for your business or any other thing. Thank you so much. And I still remain Judith Naodi, the CRM and workflow automation specialist. Thank you.